to Yasmine's cooking show. Bienvenue à tous. Today I have another fantastic recipe for us. It is baking season. The air is crisp, the leaves are falling. C'est la saison des pâtisseries. And today we are making a classic apple pie with fresh ginger and barbancourt. Yes, Haitian rum. You have never had apple pie made like this before. So stick around, okay? Shall we? Yes. All right. This is my little shot glass from Australia. It was one of my favorite ports when I was stationed overseas, 8 years Navy. Now, if you are a fan of the Pirates of the Caribbean like I am, we both know that Captain Jack Sparrow would have loved this rum. Now, according to Forbes magazine, Barbancourt is ranked as one of the world's greatest rums. It has notes of vanilla and nutmeg, which is perfect for our pie today. Oh my goodness. Now, mes amis, d'après Forbes magazine, clairin sa, barbancourt sa, li classé comme yon nan pi gros clairin dans le monde. Ça c'est belle bagaille net. Jack, I drink to you. Woo! This is good. That's a fantastic. Right. Let's get into the apples. When I'm preparing for a cooking segment, whether it's for a TV show or for my YouTube channel, the very first thing that I do is I look up the history of the food item. Why? Because I know that when I have an understanding of its history, I have a better appreciation for what's on my plate. Okay, now if you don't know this already, apples are one of the world's oldest fruits, dating back to 4,000 years. We have over 10,000 different apples all around the world. Now, apples actually are originally from Asia, Central Asia, and they made their way to America with the help of the Dutch and the British immigrants. They also made their way up north to Canada with the help of the French, okay? Now, in terms of nutrition, apples are a great source of potassium and vitamin C. That is phenomenal, okay? Pomme yo sorti originellement dans continent Asie, ok? Et yo fait route yo dans Amérique avec aide immigrants britanniques yo et hollandais yo. Concernant la nutrition, pomme gagne pile et vitamine C avec potassium. Donc pomme bon pour nous en pile. All right, here's some science for you. Now, for this pie, we are using two different apples. We have Granny Smith and Mcintosh. Now, Granny Smith by itself in a pie is quite sour and quite boring, okay? Mcintosh alone, it gives you a pie that tastes more like applesauce than apple pie. But together, they are excellent together, okay? Pour tat ça, on a utilisé deux différents pommes, ok? Granny Smith et Mcintosh. L'offre tat avec et pomme ça seulement, li trop su et pas intéressant. L'offre tat avec pomme ça peut-être pas, Mcintosh là, li bon plus goût et applesauce, sauce pomme que ta pomme. Mais tous les deux ensemble, yo excellent. D'accord? All right, now I'm going to show you how to cut apples for an apple pie, okay? To begin, pour commencer, you're going to cut off the top, okay? And then with your knife, just peel off the skin. Now, why take off the skin? Because you don't want, you want your apples to cook evenly, okay? You can use a peeler, but this is the fastest way to do it. You know, folks, it is right now 10:30 p.m. I am recording this video on a Sunday night. Tomorrow's a holiday, Columbus Day. This is called passion. This is called purpose. And let me actually get into this for just a second, okay? So after you peel it off, you're gonna just pour it, go around it 4 times like this, okay? And that's it. And the rest goes in your trash. You're gonna slice and then dice. Very, very, very simple, okay? What is that one thing that you would do for free at any time, any day? This is my passion, as you can tell. I had a haircut today, ran some errands, and then I came home, worked out, and I'm preparing this apple pie for you. And for my next appearance on Coast Live, the week of Thanksgiving. And I absolutely love what I do. Cooking brings me joy, as you can tell already. Not just cooking, but educating folks about nutrition and techniques in the kitchen. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna finish these off camera, and we will be ready to go.